and knocking the wind out of him.
Big Dog shooting Alizar in the corner. Did you see that, Byron?
I could feel that over. Alizar is blinded on his feet. Blind as a bat. Oh, and he got a kick right to the midsection. And a big-time suplex. Blinded, scramble. Come on, ref. Give him a minute to get his mask back on. Oh!
Big clothesline from Big Dog and Alizar.
Hello YouTube. I know some of the videos kind of stopped all of a sudden, but we know the situation with coronavirus and social distancing and everything, and me losing my job. But there is an upside. I got a new job, way better job, an essential job that pays excellent with a lot of benefits, way better than my previous job. So that being said, look for new videos coming out soon. I'm going to be looking for a daily driver. I got a few ones that are on my radar, and once I get me a new daily driver, this one is going to be the main vehicle I'm going to be concentrating on, the old bull. We're doing a lot of work on it. The first major thing I'm going to do is I got about 2 more parts I need to get for the transmission. And then this is going to the shop to get the transmission worked on. Once I get the transmission rebuilt, then we can work on the engine. Basically, tearing it apart, putting in better head bolts, better gaskets, because I'm going to be putting boost on it. So I want to make sure that I don't have issues once I put the supercharger and everything on there. So first thing first, transmission, then get me a daily driver, and then I'm going to be mainly just working on this car, tearing stuff apart, and like I said, I'm going to document everything I'm doing step by step on this channel. So for everybody that's been following me, more stuff is coming. For the new guys, thank you for subscribing. Share my stuff. Follow me on Instagram. And until later, I'll see you.